Aboard Carnival Spirit. This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker on location.
Here's your cruise news for Friday, April 1st, 2022, sailing out of Jacksonville, Florida here on Carnival Spirit. As of today, daily service charges have increased for almost all cabin categories on Norwegian Cruise Line, and no, this isn't an April Fool's joke. Those staying in balcony cabins or below will now pay $16 per person per day, up from $15.50. The Haven and Suite guests will now pay $20 per person per day, that's up from $18.50. Club balcony suite guests, well, you'll continue paying $18 per person per day. Those who book their sailing before today will be able to prepay the charge at the previous rate as long as you do it before embarkation day. If you don't prepay, you'll be locked into that new rate. And MSC Cruises announced details on 7 new shows created for the Carousel Lounge in the Maravilla class. That's the lounge in the back of the ship. Each 40-minute show will combine acrobatics, dance, and music in the 10,000 square foot venue. As examples, 2 of the shows will be Strings on MSC Grandiosa and Suite on Grandiosa and Bellissima. These shows can be booked on board for a nominal fee, which will include an alcoholic or non-alcoholic cocktail to complement the show's theme. The Carousel Lounge was originally used for the Cirque du Soleil shows before MSC and Cirque parted ways. And Disney Cruise Line has announced details on some of the shops that will be found on the upcoming Disney Wish. Treasures Untold will offer Disney Cruise collectibles, including Pandora jewelry. It'll also offer artist spotlight collections and Dooney and Burke handbags. Mickey's Mainsail will offer more souvenirs like a Disney Wish themed Loungefly mini backpack and some mouse ears. Gotta get some of those. Disney Wish is set to debut from Port Canaveral in July. And cruise line stocks are up on Thursday. Carnival Corporation up 3.1%, 20.21. Royal Caribbean up 2.8, 83.76. And Norwegian up 3.3%, 21.91. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. Here aboard Carnival Spirit, and where are we? Sailing out of Jacksonville, Florida, Freeport, Nassau, day at sea, and back here to Jacksonville. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have a great weekend.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.